Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the heal feature or function on the Pixomatic application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Select a picture that you would like to use by tapping on the plus icon, click on start with an image and tap on it. After that, tap on the button heal down below in the left side corner of the screen. After that, you should brush over the area you want to heal. You can select the brush size by the help of this slide down below. Tap on magic brush and brush over the areas again. As you can see, it's being generated. If you tap on the spot and zoom in, you can also remove little spots from your face, and also line removal is available. You can brush over wrinkles to remove those lines, as you can see. So if you are done with your picture, tap on the check mark icon in the upper right corner of the screen to save it. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.